guys, Mompreneur Mentor here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to introduce you to the Air Fryer Secrets book. Now this is going to launch in November and I am so honored to be a co-author, but the real magician behind the book is Kevin Stephen Quinn. Serial entrepreneur, he has multiple businesses, and all-around great guy. Now, it actually started as a funny joke, because everyone's like, what's with the title Air Fryer Secrets? It has nothing to do with air fryers. But actually, Kevin started Air Fryer group on Fridays, and he would just fry stuff in his air fryer on his Facebook group live. And because he only really networks with digital marketers and entrepreneurs, it became a digital marketing hub where a bunch of digital marketers would not only go for advice and learn from him while he was sitting here air frying stuff and just trying different new air fryer recipes, but it would also open the connections and networks and doors. And he thought, wow. And he also, if you follow him on Facebook, you totally should. He does lives with all of the Air Fryer Secrets authors. There's like 50 plus authors in the Air Fryers group, and they are all experts in their field. My chapter is on your parentpreneur lifestyle hacks. Kind of obvious, right? I mean, I could have wrote a bunch of other chapters, but there's so many successful people that are much more qualified to do and write those chapters than I am. This was my first, actually it's not my first publication. I did have some poetry published years ago, but this is my first business publication. So I wanted to, tread lightly and start easily and do something I felt really comfortable and good at. And you guys know that I feel like I have got the parentpreneur, mompreneur lifestyle down. I feel like I've got it under control and how to balance it. And I think that is one of the biggest hurdles for people who are trying to be an entrepreneur and a parentpreneur, and also shiny object syndrome. Now, the reason you should go out and buy this book is because you can get the book and it will give you a bunch of different business models. And then instead of having shiny object syndrome and just every new email or course you get sent, you're like, oh, I should do this now. I should create a Shopify store. I should do an Amazon business. Oh, I should be an affiliate marketer. Instead, you can buy Air Fryer Secrets and get a brief synopsis and tips and tricks from people already successful in all of the online and digital marketing niches put in front of you, and then you can make an informed decision. For me, dropshipping was the best fit. It required the least work, the least startup capital, and it enabled me to make tens of thousands, six figure, a lot of money. It was great. And it was a great business model. It's great for mompreneurs. It's easy to outsource, and you don't ever have to touch the product or wrap a package. It is such, e-commerce is so, it's only going to get better. Eventually in the future, we probably won't have a lot of stores. Just think about it. With population, we're going to need houses to put everywhere. We're not going to have room to have big Targets and stuff, right? So e-commerce is always a good thing to learn, whether it's your thing of choice or not. So for me, that is how I narrowed it down, because when I first started, I really didn't know what I wanted to do. I saw MLMs, which there's probably a chapter on that too. I saw, ClickFunnels, affiliate marketing, and I dabbled in all these stuff. Lord knows I wish I had an Air Fryer Secrets book. Thank you, Kevin, because I would have just gone through the book and be like, oh, dropshipping, wow, lowest startup cost, most obvious passive income to me, learning e-commerce, which is like a skill that they don't teach in schools really. I own my own business and I'm selling great products, whatever, blah, blah, blah. I learned marketing with it. I learned so much. That is why I feel so confident moving forward as CEO of my new venture and my own product that I've patented. So that for me was the best solution. Dropshipping was the number one choice. However, for you, you might be like, oh, Lisa, actually, I want to do affiliate marketing because I feel like that is more passive income because there's even less work and you don't have to get suppliers and you don't have to build a shop. You just have to share your link and get people to buy it. Okay? So maybe that's your thing. Maybe you're like, Lisa, I don't want to do affiliate marketing. I want to be in MLM. Well, check out Air Fryer Secrets. This book is such a great starting point for novice entrepreneurs who are just out there in the desert. They don't even know how to find water, you know. It is hard when you're first starting out as a digital entrepreneur because there's so much crap to cut through. Air Fryers has zero crap. It is all 100% great information and knowledge gathered from an amazing group of digital entrepreneurs. And I hope to be interviewing them all here on this YouTube channel before and after the book launch on November 19th. It will be selling through Amazon, and the sales proceeds go to help the Underground Railroad, which is to help end sex slavery. Yeah. So that is amazing as well. Thank you, Kevin, Stephen, Quinn, so much for putting this book together and bringing together so many amazing entrepreneurs and digital marketers. It is a great resource for brand new entrepreneurs, mompreneurs, or parentpreneurs who want to figure out what business model they want to do, what is going to fit best for their life. For me, it was drop shipping. For you, it might be something else. So when the book does launch, it hasn't yet, this is like a preview, but I will add the link below to the comment section. So if you're watching this video and it's after November 19th, check below for the link to buy the book, and you won't regret it. You won't regret it. Also, down below, I'm gonna list my entrepreneur resources. Okay, there's a link in the text box below for my entrepreneur resources. If you're a parent, but you also want to have a side hustle or be an entrepreneur, or you have a day job and you still want to figure out how am I going to have a day job and be an entrepreneur, check out the entrepreneur resources. Huge life and time savers for me. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have a wonderful week, and click that like button. If you like this, please click the subscribe button so you get notifications, because we're going to be premiering 2 videos a week of great entrepreneurial, mompreneur, drop shipping, e-commerce, business content for you. All right? Thanks so much. Bye.